We're making quiche Lorraine, and it's one of our favorite brunch items to serve. You can serve it warm or at room temperature. It's great with like a side salad. Anyway, it's great for breakfast or brunch. To start, you'll mix 4 eggs with 2 cups of half and half. And you'll mix those really well. Really try to incorporate some air to whip those together. Then you'll add cooked chopped bacon. And then you'll also add sauteed onions that have been chopped and cooked, along with a bunch of grated Gruyere cheese. And then all your spices. There's smoked paprika, nutmeg, salt and pepper. You'll add that all together. Then you'll brush the baked pie crust with a little egg white. And this will help make it so the filling won't make it soggy at all. Mix the egg custard filling all together. Then you're going to pour it into your baked pie crust. And then it'll go into the oven at 350 for 50 minutes until it comes out. The top will be a little browned. Let it cool a little. Then you can remove it from the pie baking pan and then cut into it and enjoy. It's one of our favorite things to serve for brunch. It's so good. You'll love it.